This video demonstrates inelastic collisions and has all the data you need to calculate momentum. There are two trolleys. There's a red trolley, which has got its mass here, and blue trolley, which also has its mass there, similar but not identical. I'm going to collide the trolleys on a roller track, and the velocity time graph from a motion sensor gives you the initial velocity of the red trolley, 0.542, and the velocity of the two combined, 0.261 meters per second. The experiment is then repeated with red trolley, same mass, blue trolley with an additional mass, which takes it up to a total there that you can see. Again, they are collided. Velocity time graph is enlarged here, and you've got the initial and final velocities.